Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make these delicious banana pudding cupcakes. And this video was requested by Cooking with the Catrons, so you know I had to make them. So if you like content like this, please consider subscribing and joining the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And here go a list of everything you will need. You could take the chance to take a screenshot. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is add our egg whites. And we're just going to beat this until it gets nice and foamy.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
So once you get to this point, we're going to gradually add 1/4 cups of sugar and just let it keep beating until it gets nice and airy, and it should look something like this. Now that we have this done, we're going to go ahead and set this to the side and start with our dry ingredients. So now we're going to sift together our dry ingredients, which right here I have my flour.
Some people go.
Now we're going to add some baking powder. Now we're going to sift everything together just so it can be a nice smooth consistency. Now to our dry ingredients, we're going to add a pinch of salt, and then we're going to add the remainder of our sugar. Now we're going to also be adding our butter. Now we're going to cream our mix till it gets nice and smooth.
Now I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't what you won't do.
So once it starts forming a dough, we're going to start gradually adding our egg yolks one at a time. And as y'all can see, the last time I accidentally dropped both of them. But that's okay. We're going to continue to beat it till it gets well incorporated. Now we're going to be adding our vanilla extract. And then we're just going to drizzle some milk in there a little bit at a time and continue to mix well. Now we're going to be combining both ingredients together, and a good trick is to fold it in, and this is just going to make your cupcakes nice and soft. So just folding the ingredients in, not making sure you're not over mixing, it will make your cupcakes very, very soft. Now I line my cupcake trays with the little cupcake papers, and I'm going to go ahead and fill them up halfway, just so it don't go over the top. I like to fill mine up halfway. Now we're going to place our cupcakes in the oven on 350 for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's start our filling. So for our filling, we're going to add 2 cups of cold milk.
Y'all say they lingerie on that Chardonnay's going touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barbie and I'm Rambo with the old. I'm Billy Rick like John Jack. I'm Camo with the old.
Next, we'll be adding 1 box of instant banana pudding.
Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to go around and give you good karma, but no, we escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so.
Now we're going to just beat this for about 5 minutes until it get nice and creamy. And you guys will know once it start thickening up, so just keep an eye on it. And when it's done, it should look something like this. So now I'm just going to fill my piping bag up and place it in the refrigerator just so it can set. But in the meantime, let's start that frosting. So for our frosting, we're going to add our butter.
So good tonight. Goddamn, say yeah. Look so good tonight.
And we're just going to beat our butter till it get nice and airy.
And I wouldn't change it if I could.
Now we're going to add our vanilla extract. Now we're going to gradually add our powdered sugar. Mix well until everything is well incorporated.
Everyone feel like this tonight. Look so good tonight. Goddamn, say yeah. Look so good tonight.
Now we're going to add a pinch of salt. And last but not least, we're going to add our heavy whipping cream. And just like that, it's a nice, simple, easy vanilla frosting recipe. So you guys can use this for just about any type of dessert that you would like to top vanilla icing on. So we're going to continue to blend till it get nice and fluffy. Now let's go check on those cupcakes. They should have cooled by now. So once your cupcakes come out, you'll let them cool, and we're going to go ahead and make little holes in the middle just so we can fill them. And I got this little pastry square off of Temu. I will leave everything linked down below so you guys can know where I get some of these products.
Flossing on that, this diamond, my diamond, this rock, my rock. I woke up like this, I woke up like this, we flawless. Ladies, tell them I woke up like this.
So once you're done, the cavity should look something like this. Not too deep all the way to the bottom, just enough. Thank God my husband helped me with this part. Now I'm going to start filling the middle with our banana pudding. And oh my God, y'all, I'm going to start making more cupcakes like this. I never thought about doing it like this, but they came out so good. Next, we're going to top it with our vanilla icing. Look at that technique.
Tell me what you want from me. Concentrating on my music, lover, and my babies. Every wanna ask the lady for a ticket out of town. I just wanna take it out of town, look around.
Now for garnish, we're going to go ahead and top it off with some nuts. And you can put whatever kind of nuts you want on there. Today I'm using some pecans. And then you're going to add your sliced banana at the top, just so you can know what kind of cupcake it is. We can't forget about our wafer cookie. Go ahead and stick that at the top. And y'all, These are some nice gourmet banana pudding cupcakes. I was very pleased with this recipe. Thank you to the Catrons for giving me this idea. And if you guys have not yet checked out their channel, they're a wonderful cooking channel. Let them know that Net sent you. And I will leave all their information down below. And if you have any suggestions in the next recipe, please leave it down below. And you never know, it might be the next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I appreciate all the share, likes, and comments. I'll respond to all. Till next video, you guys, peace. And if you like content like this, go ahead and check out this video.